Have you been struggling to take the correct and accurate compass reading for Feng Shui purposes? Let me show you today how to do it correctly. Hi, my name is Sonia and I'm your Feng Shui artist and consultant. Before we dig into today's topic, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, so please do so. Also click on the bell icon for notifications of my new videos. According to the classical school of Feng Shui, you will need a compass to find out the directions of your home. So today we will use a compass and find out all the 8 directions or sectors of your home. So first thing you will need is a compass. Make sure to use a compass that uses magnetic north. Now you can take a reading from the center of your home or also from the front door of your home. You will need to face out when taking these readings, and you can take 3 different readings from the front of your home. So the first reading you will be taking by standing outside your front door and closing the front door behind you, and with your back touching the front door and facing outside. You will take the first reading by leveling up your compass and noting down the degrees that's right in front of you. So just follow the line on the compass and that will give you the degree, and you will note that down. And you will take 2 more readings the same way, one from the left end of your house and the second one from the right end of your house, and note down the degrees as well. Now add all the 3 readings and divide by 3, and the result would be the same reading or close match to the first reading you took in front of your main door. If there is too much difference in the readings, then you will need to take again all 3 readings. For example, the first reading that you took near your front door would be 230 degrees. The one on the right side of the house would be 233 degrees, and one on the very left side of your house or the left end of your house would be 227 degrees, and that is how it should look like. The next thing you would do is find the directions or the sectors of your home by laying the compass guide on your floor map and aligning the degrees that you just noted. So as you can see, I'm moving the compass left and right to find the correct degree of the main door, which was 230 degrees on the compass line. I will match it with the front door, and that is how now all the directions you can find out of your home. So clearly we can see that the front door is located in the southwest, and the kitchen is located in the west. The laundry room is located in the south, the bathroom located in the southeast, the master bedroom in the east, and the other 2 bedrooms in the northeast and north, and the dining room is located in the northwest. And you can also see that your living room is in the center of the home. And this is how you take the directions of your home. By doing this, you can now apply correctly the cures and the remedies for Feng Shui. Remember, this is the classical school of Feng Shui, which uses the compass readings. So thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video with a new topic. And if you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, please do so, and thank you again.